Welcome to the New Readers Press online learning training series. In this video, we're going to focus on the reporting dashboard. We'll show you how to create and deliver assignments to students, how to use the discussion board, and how to monitor class and student progress and generate reports. When you log in, your screen view will depend upon the role you've been assigned. Here, we'll be showing an instructor's view. See the user icon at the top right of your screen. In the drop-down, you have the Study tab. Click this tab to view the courses your students will be completing. Here you can access notes, bookmarks, and highlights you previously made within the lessons. This is also where you'll initiate and conduct class and student discussions. The reporting dashboard. Here you can create and assign customized curriculum, view progress, and generate reports. The user portal. Here you can view and edit your personal profile information. And finally, the Logout tab. We will begin to demonstrate the features of the reporting dashboard. A prescribed and structured curriculum is loaded as the default setting. If you wish to customize your curriculum and create your own assignments, click on the Curriculum tab on the left side of your dashboard. Now, here's an example of why an instructor may want to customize curriculum. Instead of having a class complete the entire math course, an instructor may choose to assign units and lessons to students based on their pretest results or existing information, such as a TABE individual profile report, a CASAS student content standard performance report, or other student-specific information. Learn more by visiting onlinelearning.newreaderspress.com.